everybody, welcome back to Jewelry Spot. I've got a haul video for you today, and then I'm going to do a video on some easy earrings, some Keep It Simple Sis earrings, K-I-S-S. Keep it simple. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is kind of set the mood. I've got this pretty, let's see if I can show everybody. I'm so proud of this. It smells something that's just kind of setting the mood, getting me in the mood to do my crafting. There's a tea light candle there, and this is a zucchini. I don't know what they're called, but they're the things that go in the burners that smell good. My friend gifted me this for my birthday, which is, you know, it's not my birthday now. I'm just, I got this as a present for my birthday, and this is so, it's just, I don't know, it's putting me in the mood to do my crafting. It smells so good, and the only thing is it's making me want to make some zucchini bread or some banana nut bread or something like that. Alright, I'm going to start with this sale item. This is from Hobby Lobby, and if anybody is familiar with the brand Fairy Tales, this was 99 cents. I don't know, I like the little coin look, the little discs, and the coin jewelry that I've seen. I like that, and so it's got little ships on there. Hope you can see that, but I just thought it was pretty, and especially the 99-cent sticker caught my eye, of course. I think most of the things I got were from Hobby Lobby. I got some toggle clasps. These are silver plated, and I love using these because, especially if I make jewelry for myself, it's because I can put the thing on myself, and you know, and these are kind of large. It's just easy to put on a necklace or a bracelet all by yourself. You don't have to bug anybody to help you put your jewelry on. I thought this was on sale. This was another good deal. It said it's $124. I believe this is wood jewelry. It just has these various colors. Yep, this is wood. And it just reminds me of pretty springtime colors, you know, you can make with to match your outfits. That pretty orange and yellow and purple and turquoise and hot pink. Can do lots with this, and green, or it could just be a bracelet. Really pretty. I like that. I like this set. I might head back over there today and see if they've got any more on sale. So, love my blue. I got some, I think, Sodalite. Yeah, these are Sodalite beads. Can make a bracelet, anything. Earring pieces with this Sodalite. Let me put everything out here as I use it. And let's see. More toggle clasps. Yeah. More toggle clasps. They're kind of fancy. Pretty. I like them. They'll just make something look fancier. Lately I've been pretty into Amazonite, so these are some more Amazonite beads. These are matte. Of course, my Jasper, yeah, this is Jasper Beads, Picasso Jasper, in these pretty neutral colors. Love that. I have another Sodalite strand. These were 50% off the bead strands, and the findings too. Those toggle clasps were 50% off. Right, these are pretty. They there's a pearl strand there, a couple of pearl strands, one large and one small, and then some crystals in the middle, and some other kind of beads on the end, and the color of blue, this light blue. That was pretty. And let's see, have another Amazonite strand here. Another Amazonite strand of beads. And I got me some 20 gauge wire, regular 20 gauge wire, silver plated, and I'm thinking about hammering some pretty hoop earrings. I love my hoops. It's about time to get some more of those going. I feel like I can never have enough of those, especially the beaded ones, just to match your outfits. I think it just makes a nice touch. And so that's my haul. Let's see. I do have some more things that I didn't think I hauled. These are from Michaels. I've got these pretty hearts. I'm thinking of making some type of a pendant and earring set with that. Abalone. I hope I pronounced that right. That's what they're called. It says they're semi-precious beads. Let's see, I've got, these are Lapis, I believe. Yeah, these are round Lapis beads. Pretty blue. And I have some more chips. Unakite chips. Pretty green and kind of an orangey color. Some findings, things that I can attach to earrings or a necklace, pendants. Silver findings. And some more silver findings. I just think these things are cute and they will make a nice addition to whatever I decide to make. And I thought this was different. This is tiger eye. It's in this round shape, so I can see maybe a set of a bracelet, necklace, and a pendant for this. And I think that's it. These things came from Hobby. No, these are Michaels, and they were $2.99. They had a sale, I think, 2 weeks ago where all the beads, all the strung beads, except for the black ones, the ones with the black, signature there. There were all the other color ones. All of these were $2.99, and that's not as good as like that 70% off sale, but that one only happens, I think, maybe a few times a year. It doesn't happen often, but that's my favorite, of course. I think this might be the next best thing though. All of them for $2.99. So that's what I got. I'm pretty pleased with this little haul. Now I have to see what I can make with it. Yeah, pretty interested in seeing what I can make with my haul, and then trying to see if I need to make some banana nut bread today. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and let me know what you've been finding at your local stores, or if you shop online. What kind of beads are you into? What have you been finding? Or maybe you could tell me what you liked, what your favorite beads were from my haul. I'm interested. I want to get going with some really pretty things, and I'm thinking earrings. I just love them. Right now they're my favorite, so my favorite things are earrings. Next favorite thing is to match with necklace. I love sets, things that match, so I'm having a great time. I work full time, so of course I can't do my jewelry all of the time, but boy, this is fun. This is my fun in my downtime. So Saturday morning, and I'm an early bird, making jewelry and showing making my video haul. And then comment too, are you an early bird, or do you like to have your mornings? Like, do you sleep in? I get up at 5 in the morning. Who are the other early birds out there? I'm being silly. Okay, y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.